Don't let the Renderer Library DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. To begin the walkthrough for Renderer Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Renderer Library, a generic localized graphics rendering module. In most game engines, like older source or proprietary RPG engines, it manages the high-level localized pipeline for drawing 3D primitives and lighting. It bridges the game's world logic to the localized DirectX or OpenGL API. Corruption leads to a failed-to-create rendering device error. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Errors involving Renderer Library DLL typically indicate that the localized graphics rendering logic files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Renderer library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Renderer Library DLL. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Renderer Library management references. If this fix repaired Renderer Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.